Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Central Science to Go.
We are your hosts. I'm Giada.
And I'm Mia.
And we're still waiting on Derek.
Today we're going to do a chemical reaction.
Oh, hey, what you doing?
We're doing a chemical reaction.
A chemical reaction? While you're playing with balloons, we're experimenting with vinegar and baking soda to see what happens.
Oh, cool. I can see it sizzling. That must be the reaction of the acid and the base when they come together.
Exactly. When the acid from the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, it makes a gas.
Like this gas? One question though. Where does the gas go?
Up? Around?
It's everywhere.
I think we need an experiment to find out where it goes.
We need something to contain the gas.
Maybe something small, flexible, rubber?
Got no idea.
That's it! A balloon! Now it is your turn to do the experiment with us.
We're gonna see if the gas from the chemical reaction will fill up this balloon.
All you need is vinegar, baking soda, a bottle, and a balloon.
First, make your hypothesis. Will the gas fill up the balloon?
First, put baking soda in an empty bottle.
Carefully pour vinegar in the uninflated balloon.
Next, put the amount of the balloon onto the bottle as shown.
Now it's up to you to flip the balloon over and see what happens.
Happy experimenting, everyone! Okay, now let's do it.